unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
To troubleshoot a riding lawnmower that won't start by checking the fuel levels and ensure the fuel valve is open. Examine the battery connections for corrosion and ensure they are tight. Inspect the spark plug for damage or dirt and clean or replace as necessary. Check the air filter for blockages and replace it if dirty. Finally, ensure the safety switches are engaged properly, including the brake pedal and seat switch.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.